Okay guys, so today I'm doing a video on how to fix a berlingo multi-space, or the van, a 2001 model. What's happened is today, the exhaust, I've got a new one here, the back box, it was corroded to death. So there we go, here's the old one. I've taken that off. This one's got a universal clamp on it for some reason, but as you can see, it's absolutely rotten. So luckily I caught it before it snapped off on the motorway. So what you need is some WD-40, because that cleared off in there like that, and you need a 16mm spanner. See, with this it's not good with a socket unless you've got a long nose socket, so you can get this off. I struggled, I thought it was a 15mm and it weren't, it was a 16mm. I've got every other spanner except a 16mm, so as you can see it's rotten. The rest of the exhaust seems fair, and to be honest it's not too noisy when you've taken it off neither. So there you go. So I'm going to take this off now and we're going to try and put this on. Bear with. So it's at the very end of its thread. I'm just unscrewing it now, if you can see. Sorry about the bad camera work. I'm not a professional cameraman. I'm not a professional mechanic. I'm not even a mechanic. But you get to learn with French and Italian cars, such as Fiat and Citroen, that they are little rock box, little rust buckets. So there's a nut that's just fell off there. I'm not asked to lose that. I've got a fresh one. I'd always say put a fresh clamp on. Don't ever go for the one that's already on. As you can see, it's just snapped off a little bit, so I'll come back in a second when I've tried taking it off before I lose my rag. Thank you. So I've managed to get it off. It was a little bit tricky, a little bit wedged. I'm not going to use that. It seems alright, but I'd rather replace it, to be honest. In fact, it's not alright, it's got a bit of a kink in it there. But let's see what happens next, trying to put the fucker back on. So I've managed to put it back on now with a new one. Bit of a tricky, because I've got that on there. Well, it's just a bit tight, so tomorrow I'll get a new grommet for that. Let it hook over, but it's solid, it's tight. Not blowing out anywhere. So job's a good one. So that is for a berlingo 2001, but pretty much the same on other berlingos, I'm guessing. Alright, and if you don't know, now you know. If you don't try, you'll never know. Thank you for watching.